Hello everybody, Stefan here from securemyhome.tech. Today I will show you how to reinforce your doors, an easy fix. As you hear about, this is my garage door, but you can do the same for all of your doors. Here we have the lock and the knob or the handle, whatever you will have on your house. And here we have the plate and the plate for the handle. We will take a look more for the plate for the lock. Why? Because this, as I will show you shortly, it's not reinforced. Why? Here we have pine wood finger joint frame pieces. So all this frame, it's made from pieces, I will say neither 1 feet long. So you see from here till here, and after that another one here, and so on. Maybe from here you will have it, I think, till here you can see it, and so on, so on. Everything it's pieces. When the bad guy will push the door, okay, I'll show you. So when the bad guy will push the door and will smash your front door or backyard door or side door, garage door, will just from one push will just pass through your door, because this is a piece like 2 inch by 1 inch deep. So this piece of finger joint frame will just pop out directly with this plate. Why? I'll show you why now. So all the builders, they are just getting the locks kits and they are installing them. Now you will be surprised what you will find here. It's not that it's bad stuff, it's just a little bit more. They are actually the original screws that are supplied with a kit. Now you will see the difference. Okay, this is the screw, I'll put it here, and this is what I want to install. How about this? It's a big difference, correct? So this is neither 1 inch long, this is a 2.5. You can go also with 3 inch long. So we'll prepare it here, and we will take out also the second one. Okay. Yeah, it's a little bit tougher. I'm working just with one hand, and voila. Here is the second small screw that we'll put it here. We'll pick up another one and prepare it. Now pick up the drill and go. Okay, that's one. Okay, take the other one. Now, what I did, I just put a 2.5. You can put also 3 inch long screw that definitely will pass that 1 inch depth for the frame and will go directly also in the 2x4 that it's side by side with the frame. Now with these screws, the bad guys, they can push the doors how much they can. There are also videos done by police and the firefighters, and I was seeing one video, actually they pop up the door from the hinges. So this solution is the best. Believe me, when the burglars will try to smash your door to get inside, if they cannot, they will not stay too long because it's a lot of noise. They want to get in your home just in one simple push, and it working with one simple push. Not now, but with these two small screws, definitely they will go in your home just simple like that. 2 seconds and they are in. Now I will do the same also for this latch, but this one it's not too much because this one is from the handle, and the most important one is where it's going the bolt. So this is the most important one. Thanks for watching this. If you have more questions, go on my blog, securemyhome.tech, send me an email, take a look at the other tips, video cams installation, security systems, but there are a lot of small tips like this one, very easy fix, cheap, that you can do it by yourself. Thank you and have a good day. Bye.